Hey Fit Fam, today I'm going to give you several different plank variations. Stay tuned.
I refuse to be outworked.
First off, the plank you see most common, the elbow plank or low plank. The first step is keep your body parallel to the floor. This applies to most of the planks, but definitely this one. Next, keep your shoulders in line with your elbows. After that, focus on protracting your shoulder blades, which basically means push them until you have a very slight rounded upper back. And last but not least, squeeze your glutes. You should be squeezing your whole core throughout the whole movement, but definitely your glutes. Next plank is alternating hand plank. Start off by keeping your planted arm how you would in a normal plank. And with the other arm, you're going to create a 90-degree angle with the floor. Next up is the side plank. For the side plank, there's only 2 points of contact, your arm and your foot. With the side plank, try to keep your hips as far off the ground as possible. Next, keep your body in a straight line. Next up is walking plank, or plank up and down as other people commonly refer to it as. This one takes a lot of upper body strength. But first off, you're starting in a normal plank position, and then you're pushing yourself up one arm at a time. Throughout this movement, make sure you're keeping your core tight and go at your own pace. Start slow, get the movement down, then eventually you can speed up. And last but not least is spiderman planks. Keep your base straight as you do with the other planks. Next, you're going to bring each knee up one at a time, alternating each time. This concludes plank variations part 1. I'll try with part 2 soon to y'all. Stay tuned. Hey Fit Fam, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe right here. If you want a video just like this, please click right here. And if you want to see my newest video, please click here. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?
I refuse to be outworked.